Last question, Mark. Insulation can be aggro. So which is easier, fitting a kitchen or fitting a bathroom?
Oh, well, from a joiner, it's fitting a kitchen. But actually being a joiner, fitting kitchens was great. But then fitting a bathroom, installing bathrooms is the start, for a joiner, is the start of learning how to run your own business for me. Because what you're doing is, you're now using all these subcontractors. You're using a tiler, you're using a plumber, you're using there's all these trades, and you're doing less of the work. Yes, there's a little bit of work in there for you, but not very much. But now you're project managing all these different trades. And the better you get at that, the more chance that you can take on different projects and have multiple projects going, and slowly you're able to step away. A lot of joiners, I was speaking to an installer just here yesterday, and we spoke about kind of like this subject, and he said bathrooms. Oh no, I don't want anything about bathrooms, but it's like, why not? Why not? Because suddenly your time, you can use your time differently, and now your business can grow because you have a project on the go that you're not involved in. You've project managed it, but once it's going, it's going. Now you could do something else. So, in a growing sense, bathrooms are better. From a joinery, for what your love of what you do, I loved being an installer. I loved being on the tools. That kind of stuff, the sexy stuff. It was a kitchen. You're the main guy on a kitchen.
It very much depends on the individual. Mark Conacher, thank you very much indeed. Thank you.
For having me. Thank you.